Hello and welcome back to the Pattison Post Show. My name is Les Pattison and I'd like to thank you for joining us on episode 5 where I'm going to be talking a little bit about income tax and the minimum wage. So to get it rolling, I'd like to state that I firmly believe that if you make $50,000 a year or less, you should not be paying income tax. The reason for this is twofold. One, it's going to provide every person that works a savings of a few $100s that they are going to see every 2 weeks or every paycheck. It also provides a massive incentive for provincial and federal governments to start pursuing legislation that helps people get out of that lower income bracket and into higher income brackets. Okay. I also don't think that we should be charging taxes on food or food services along with the distribution of water. These are basic things that we need to survive. There is no need that the government needs to put a tax on top of those to profit off of it, and which just drives the cost up for us. Also, let's talk minimum wage. It's good that the minimum wage is going up, don't get me wrong. However, a 50% increase in our minimum wage is a very dangerous thing. I say this because there's been no grand discussion, it would appear, in our country about what the effects are going to happen. It's almost like the government went, oh, we need to make some money, and how are we going to do it? And the ways that they know, or at least seem to go to make money, is raising taxes or selling off public assets. So it's great that there's a large segment of our society that's now going to be making more, but my concern lies in, one, what's going to happen to everybody that makes $15 an hour or up? And two, what is going to happen to all of our basic costs? How much are they going to rise? How much are these lower income individuals going to be gouged because they're no longer making $11 or $12 an hour, they're now making $15. So that's a very big concern for me, and I do believe that if our government was really wanting to help the lower class, they would be doing more things to remove costs or provide better opportunities instead of just telling corporations or just business in general that they need to now foot the bill because they've been spending a lot more money than they have. So we're essentially being used as pawns in their game to balance their budget or maybe provide them some more funding. But it's crap, and more likely than not, we, the taxpayer, are going to end up feeling that burden. So, I'd love to hear your thoughts on what are two relatively controversial topics. Let me know in the comments below. If you like what I'm saying, like it, share it, pass it along. Thank you for your time. Take care.